Uh, Hello guys. So today I will show how to create this kind of fireworks uh, with a Houdini particle system. This is a very basic setup. I will show how to create this in quickly. So let's dive into Houdini. Uh, so this is our new fresh Houdini, and I take one geometry node. Particles. Fireworks. I create I create a pop network, and pop network I just want background to dark. In pop network I create this pop source and I take a pop location. Okay, so I now getting a kind of source. Okay, yeah, lots of particles. So in the pop location tab, there is the position you want to change according to what you want. Okay, so you can change the position. Okay, and you want to add multiple pop location and merge it, few here, few there. Okay, so first of all first I just reduce the birth rate to 10, and just turn on this for real time. Okay, and I need to the particle this direction, the y direction, particle going up, shoot up the y direction. So here is the attribute tab. I just k1, it's a going up. Okay, it's a little bit too much. I just decrease the count. Also the attribute tab plus distance of variation 0.22. And I just this thing live variation on 5. Right. So it's dying after 10 minutes. Cut down 120. Okay, and I take one pop replicate node. This so the pointers replicating. So where in the shape section I just live this uniform scale to 0. Then attribute tab I just add inherit velocity. I just reducing this thing 0.02. Okay, so we are getting this kind of particle. We need some trailing thing. Okay, for this case, is just reducing this and expenses is 1.5. Okay, so we are getting some kind of this thing. Let's make a one camera. Camera, okay. Inside the top network need a color node for color. Converge. You can change some variation also. You need to increase the substrate. This thing is too much. 3.25. We are getting this first part of this particle. I need some particle spawn from this area. Okay, after dying. Okay, so what I can do, for this thing I need one pop group node and let's add some force. Okay, so it's not going this way, so I need some gravity, so I need some force. Force here over. Okay, and I need if I 9.25 total it down. Okay, so let's make it 0.25 and I increase this 2 and 5. Okay, okay, so it is the pop color, this is the pop pose, and I take one pop group node. In this group node need one, yeah, need some dead particle. If you go here in this here is the one particle called the dead particle. Okay, so I make a group, in group at here add this and take a one of replicate node once. Sorry. So this group is named first group, and here is the option. You just copy this name and just paste it here. You can get some first group. A point replicate node, you just go to the set section, this, so we have getting point in the attribute, add inherit velocity and just decrease the variation. And birth rate, we need more particle. Okay, so just decrease this thing like on 2. Here from 5. In the second pop replicate node, you just increase the inherit velocity. Okay, this thing, this inherit velocity, I just can uniform scale make to 1. Five. If you want more particle, 5. Want more. This is this thing. You can play with this velocity. Okay. And take one more pop drag node, increase this radial velocity also. Take one more pop replicate node. Should be this. shape section. Press D, pixel, some velocity, and the after it 25 to 200. It's too much. So 25, it's too much. 100 should be okay. For color variation, you can take a pop color node, pop color node, and here and this color random. So guys, you can play with this birth rate. I just decrease this birth rate and life expectancy, and increase this maximum sub steps, so you can get some kind of this. I just disable this thing, so I just getting some this kind of trailing thing. You can decrease from here also, and in the point replicate, this replicate node, you can decrease this thing also, and in the attribute you can also 101, 102, 102, and you can increase some velocity also. Okay, and I just on this color node, okay, so we are getting some random thing. Okay, so this is, here is my final file. Okay, you can play with this value. Okay, this application value. Just adding pop force and this for the gravity thing, and you can just decrease this birth rate, and increase the sub step also. Okay, so you can get this kind of effects. Okay, so you can just get one drop input node, and it's file caching. Drop input, you just decrease this thing and copy this thing and take a pop object and you cache it, and create one attribute called prescale, getting attribute, and just render this thing. Okay, thank you guys for watching this tutorial.